Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write slogans for Independence Day. Number 1. Pakistan Zindabad. Number 2. Freedom is our right. We will protect it with pride. Number 3. 14th August, the day of pride and glory. Number 4. One nation, one voice. Pakistan forever. Number 5. Green and white over shining light. Number 6. Qaid dream our mission. Number 7. Together we stand for a stronger Pakistan. Number 8. Respect freedom, honor the flag. Number 9. Land of the pure, home of the brave. Number 10. Let's build the Pakistan Qaid dreamed of. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.